So we were talking about the circulatory system, and we highlighted that the heart, instead of just one pump, is actually two pumps. We have one that goes to the lungs, and then the left side goes to the rest of the body. And I had alluded to or mentioned a third pump, and we had a lot of really good guesses as to what this was, from the lymphatic system to down here to the diaphragm, and then on to like the correct answer is the muscular system. The muscular system is the third pump that moves blood throughout the body. Now, it is primarily responsible for unoxygenated, deoxygenated blood. So these blue tubes. And the best example of this is actually to be found here in your legs. So these muscles actively squeeze blood up through here, fighting gravity. And you can see this, actually, when this process starts to fail, we get varicose veins, because inside of our veins are these little gates that only allow blood to flow one direction. And when those fail, it allows backflow, and the vein swells up, gets big and kind of tortuous, looks like it kind of snakes through the leg. And that is bad, because when that happens, it can increase your incidence of blood clots. Now, other things that can do that is when we go under anesthesia and we're kind of paralyzed, or we sit for like a long car ride or a plane ride. All of those things increase the likelihood that your blood will pool, and when it does that, the clotting mechanism can actually activate and you'll grow a clot. Now, if a clot just stays in the leg, yeah, that's unpleasant. But if it moves back up through here and it reaches these vessels on the heart, can you imagine what happens there? And when it does happen, why is damage to the heart so catastrophic? So that's going to be our question for this time around, is why, when oxygen gets shut off to the heart, even partially, is it so devastating? All right, if you have questions, leave them, and I will see you tomorrow.